Okay, in this video, we are going to look at what is a sector of a circle and how to find the area of a sector of a circle. Okay, a sector of a circle is a portion of a circle that is composed of an arc and its two radii. Okay, an arc is a portion of the circumference. Okay, let's say you have this circle and you have this shape inside of the circle. The shape is composed of an arc and two radii. Okay, you have an arc, you have one radius and another radius. Okay, this shape is known as the sector. Okay, this is the sector in green. So the sector is composed of an arc and two radii. Okay, one radius and another radius, and there is an angle at the center, the angle of the sector, let's call it theta. Okay, now to find the area of this sector, to find the area of a sector of a circle, this is equal to, you always want to start with the area of the entire circle. Okay, so this is the area of the entire circle, pi times r squared. Remember to multiply by theta over 360. Okay, so you multiply by theta over 360. The area of a sector of a circle is equal to theta over 360 times pi times r squared, where theta is the sector angle subtended by the arc at the center in degrees, and r is the radius of the circle. Okay, now let's see some examples on how to find the area of a sector. Okay, so you have find the area to two decimal places of the shaded sector in each circle below. Okay, you have example number 1, you have this sector, and example number 2, you have this sector. Okay, and example number 3, you have this sector. Okay, now let's find the area of each of the shaded sector in each circle below. Okay, let's start with example number 1. The area is equal to, you always want to start with the area of the entire circle, so you have pi times r squared. Okay, and remember to multiply by theta over 360. In this example, theta is 120, so you are going to have 120 over 360 like this. Okay, this is equal to 120 over 360 times pi times r squared. Okay, r is the radius, and in this example the radius is 7. Okay, you can see that the radius is 7. Okay, so you have 7 squared. Okay, and this is equal to, let's plug this in the calculator. Okay, so you have 120 over 360 times pi times 7 squared. This is equal to 49 over 3 pi. Okay, 49 over 3 pi. Okay, and you have to get your answer to two decimal places. Okay, so this is equal to 51.31. Okay, 51.31. 51.31 square units. Okay, because this is the area, the units are square units. Okay, now let's look at example number 2. Okay, in example number 2, the area is equal to, you always want to start with the area of the entire circle. Okay, pi times r squared. Remember to multiply by theta over 360. In this example, you have 90 degrees. 90 degrees is the angle outside, so you need the angle inside of the sector. This is the sector. You are requested to find the area of the shaded sector. This is your sector. The angle inside is 270. When you take 360 minus 90, you remain with 270 inside. So you are going to replace your theta with 270. Okay, so theta is 270, not 90. 90 is the angle outside. You need to get the angle inside of the shaded sector. Okay, so you have 270. You're going to have 270 over 360. Okay, you carry on. This is equal to 270 over 360 times pi times radius squared. The radius is equal to 10. Okay, so you have 10 squared. This is equal to, when you plug this in your calculator, what do you get? Let's do that. So you have 270 over 360 times pi and then times 10 squared. I hope you can follow. This is equal to 75 pi. Okay, 75 pi, like this. And what is your answer to two decimal places? The answer is 235.62. Okay, 235.62. So this is equal to 235.62 square units. Now let's look at example number 3. To find the area of this sector, the area is equal to, you always want to start with the area of the entire circle, which is pi times radius squared, and remember to multiply by theta over 360. Your theta is equal to how many degrees? It's not 170. 170 is the angle outside. So if the outside angle is 170, the angle of the shaded sector will be 360 minus 170. This is going to be 190. Okay, so when you calculate the area of the sector, you always want to start with the area of the entire circle, which is pi times r squared, and remember to multiply by theta over 360. Your theta is 190. Okay, so you have 190 over 360, like this. This is equal to 190 over 360 times pi times r squared. Your radius is equal to 3. Okay, so you have r is equal to 3, your radius. You are going to have 3 squared, and this is equal to, plug this in your calculator. What do you get? You have 190 over 360 times pi times 3 squared. This is equal to 19 over 4 pi. Okay, 19 over 4 pi. And to two decimal places, you have 14.92. Okay, 14.92. 14.92. So square units. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the area of a sector of a circle. And you know what is a sector. Okay, until next time, I will talk to you soon.